Hugging Face hosts over 1 million datasets. Most teams consume them without knowing what they're actually getting, whether the license permits commercial use, whether the data card accurately describes what's inside, or whether the data will introduce bias into the model. The Dataset Trust Auditor was built to change that. The homepage has 4 sections. An audit form to start a new dataset audit. We've got an Ask AI panel grounded in audit results. Then we've got this live feed of recent audit. And I want to highlight this. Every audit contributes to a public Hugging Face dataset, meaning that a tool that audits Hugging Face datasets is itself producing Hugging Face datasets. And then finally, we've got a section explaining the two-phase pipeline. Let's audit the wine reviews dataset from Hugging Face. So we can see that phase 1 scores at 48%. If we go down, we can see here that licenses score 0, which means that there is no license declared, meaning that there is no clear usage rights for anyone consuming this data. Because the score is below 70%, phase 2 has been triggered, where the agent sampled actual packet rows from the dataset. If we look at the report below here, we can see that label quality was revised down from 75% to 41%. The preliminary assessment was too generous, and basically that's phase 2 doing its job. Let's now jump into the Ask AI section and ask the obvious question. Is this dataset safe for commercial model training? The answer is unambiguous, no. Licensing scores 0, label quality was revised down by phase 2, and the overall trust score sits at 48%. Basically, that's a pipeline doing exactly what it was built to do. Let's have a look at the architecture. We have 4 layers, a Streamlit UI deployment Zerve, a phase 1 fast signal assessment running in parallel via server fleet. Going down, we've got a phase 2 deep agentic exploration via Zerve agentic blocks. And below, we've got an output layer, putting a trust report with evidence from both phases. I wanted to highlight the fact that we've got observability as well, with a Supabase for event store, GitHub Actions for the daily watchdog, and Resend for email alerts. Here is the live Zerve canvas. What we've got there is 17 blocks wired together, including the fin fanout, the aggregator, the report generator, and various UI blocks. The tool is live, the audit history is public, the source code and documentation are available in GitHub. Try it yourself to know what's in your data before you train on it.